I'll work a chain space now, skip another stitch, and then I'm going to work an increase. So I'm going to work an increase, I'm going to work 2 stitches into the same stitch, skipping this one and then working into this stitch here. So I'll wrap the yarn around the hook, place it into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and pull the yarn through the second 2 loops. And so that's a UK treble or a US double crochet. And then I'm going to repeat the same stitch into the same stitch below. So yarn round hook, through the same stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn round hook, pull it through 2 of the loops on the hook, yarn round hook again, and pull it through the remaining 2 hoops. And so that's a UK treble increase or a US double crochet increase, 2 stitches into the same stitch.